While vocabulary provides the words needed to express ideas, grammar dictates how those words are arranged to form meaningful sentences. Without proper grammar, even a strong vocabulary can lead to misunderstandings or ambiguity. Okay, so good afternoon once again. Since we have already discussed teaching vocabulary, we will tackle an equally important concept, teaching grammar. Okay, what exactly is grammar? So again, allow me to look at my PPT. Okay, so grammar is seen as either a set of rules governing language or a descriptive system that explains how language elements combine to create meaning. So this understanding of grammar is essential because it helps explain how words can be combined in um, limitless way, limitless ways to express, allowing us to describe the world around us effectively. So, linguist David Crystal emphasizes that grammar involves analyzing language to understand its structures, enabling us to break down the complexities of language and appreciate how different elements interact to convey meaning. By studying grammar, we gain valuable insights that enhance our communication skills and deepen our understanding of language itself. So, understanding the importance of grammar in language use is again essential for effective instruction. So, to teach grammar in an engaging and beneficial way, educators should consider specific criteria when selecting teaching materials. So here are key criteria for selecting grammar teaching materials as suggested by Tomlinson 2013. Okay, so first is we have to consider the learner's age and proficiency level. So when selecting grammar teaching materials, it is significant to consider the learner's age and their level of language proficiency. Younger students often benefit from materials that are engaging and visually appealing, while older or more advanced learners like us may need resources that challenge them and introduce more complex grammar. So, tailoring materials to match these factors helps ensure that students can understand and apply grammatical concepts effectively. So, another consideration is methodology's alignment with expectations and educational culture. So, the teaching material should align with methodologies used in educational environment. This means that um, resources should reflect the teaching methods that teachers and institutions prefer. When materials are consistent with these expectations, they can enhance the learning process and help students achieve better outcomes. So we also have to consider for the relevance and appeal of context for teaching grammar. So very important. It is very important for teaching matters to be appealing to learners. So, using real life situations, interesting topics, or in examples that students can relate to make grammar lesson more engaging. So, when students see the connection between grammar and their own lives, they are more likely to be motivated to learn and use language use language effectively. And then finally, we have to consider grammar structure, meaning, and real world use. So, teaching material should clearly explain the structure and meaning of grammatical rules while demonstrating how these rules are used in everyday language. By showing students how grammar operates in real life context, how they function, they can better understand how to use it in their own speaking and writing. So, this approach helps learners develop a deeper comprehension of language and its practical applications. So, that concludes my part. For further discussion, the next reporter will do the honor.